Safety is paramount when working with electrical panels. Always switch off the main disconnect before attempting any maintenance or cleaning. After disconnecting power, confirm the panel is completely de-energized. Use a multimeter to verify zero voltage across all terminals. Gear up with appropriate personal protective equipment, including insulated gloves, safety glasses, and a hard hat before opening the panel. Carefully remove the panel cover using only insulated tools. Inspect the internal components while referencing any engineering diagrams if available. Gently clean dust and debris using a soft brush and a small, non-conductive vacuum cleaner. Be sure not to disturb the wiring or components. For deeper cleaning, apply an electrical contact cleaner spray to circuit breakers and bus bars, and use a soft brush to remove residues. Perform a thorough visual inspection. Look for signs of damage, such as burn marks, frayed insulation, or corrosion on wires and terminals. Tighten any loose terminal screws. Loose connections can lead to overheating and potential fire hazards. Ensure the panel is clear of pests, such as insects and webs, which can cause short circuits or block ventilation. Once cleaning and inspection are complete, securely replace the panel cover. Then, safely restore power by switching the main breaker back on.